In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from credit card without charges. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about some possible methods to eliminate charges while making transfers with credit cards. So transferring money from a credit card without incurring charges can be tricky. Many methods come with fees like cash advance fees or balance transfer fees. However, there are some strategies and options that might help you minimize or avoid these charges. So the main one is always going to be money transfer credit cards that have 0% introductory offers. An example here would be the Tasco Bank Club Card credit cards. As you can see, some of these cards will offer 0% interest on balance transfers and money transfers. However, it is only going to be for the first 3 months or a specific period of time. Some of these cards can have 0% interest for even up to 18 months. So as you can see, this one goes for over a year. So this is going to be the easiest method because all that you have to do to use this is to apply for a money transfer credit card, and if you are approved, you can request a transfer to your bank account. While they offer 0% interest for a promotional period, after this is done, they will charge a one-off transfer fee. So the key is to repay the transferred amount in full before the 0% interest period ends to avoid high interest charges. So look for cards that have the longest 0% period and the lowest transfer fee. Ensure that you can repay the amount within the promotional period. After this is done, however, every transfer that you do will most likely incur a fee. The other method that a lot of people like to use is to use peer-to-peer payment services. Peer-to-peer payment services refer to services like PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and so on. These services allow you to transfer money to others who are also registered to use them. So you can link your credit card to these platforms and send money to a trusted friend or family member. Then they can send it back to your bank account. However, this method relies on the cooperation and trustworthiness of another person because you will be sending the money sourced by your credit card, and they will have to send that exact amount back to you using their bank account. So like I said before, it involves essentially a double step, multiple people, and they have to be trustworthy because if you send the money and they don't send it back, then it becomes a problem. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. You can try doing a balance transfer to a quote-unquote friendly credit card, which is where you contact your credit card issuer to see if this is an option, and if they allow you to do a balance transfer to another card, then you just follow through with them. But for most people, you will have to choose one of these two methods that I showcased in this video. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from credit card without charges. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.